In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Yahoo account effectively and ensure its security. Let's get started by heading over to Yahoo's Sign In Helper page. This webpage is specifically designed to assist you when you're having trouble accessing your Yahoo account. You can find it easily at the URL login.yahoo.com forgot. Once you're there, you'll see a prompt to enter your Yahoo email address. Go ahead and type in the address of the account you need help with, then click on the Continue button. Now, you need to select a recovery option. Yahoo provides several ways to verify your identity and help you regain access, commonly through your phone number or an alternate email address you may have previously linked to your account. Select the option that works best for you, bearing in mind that you'll need access to this recovery option right now to proceed efficiently. After making your selection, Yahoo will send a verification code to the contact method you chose. Check your phone messages if you selected a phone number, or head over to your alternate email account if you chose that route. Enter the verification code you received back into the Sign In Helper page. Once verified, you're ready to reset your password. Yahoo prompts you to create a new password at this stage. Make sure to choose one that is strong and unique. Avoid using easily guessable combinations, or anything you've used before for that matter. Ideally, it would include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After establishing a new password, let's proceed by reviewing your account recovery information. It's crucial to ensure your recovery options are up to date, because they could save you from being locked out again in the future. Also, while you're in that security-focused mindset, take a moment to update your security settings. A particularly powerful protection measure you might want to enable is two-step verification. This feature adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password whenever you log in from an unrecognized device. It's a bit like having a virtual guard standing by the entrance to your account, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Lastly, it's a wise idea to glance through your account for any signs of unauthorized activity. This includes checking for unfamiliar security settings or any recent changes you didn't initiate. Make sure to remove or correct anything that looks off. Following these steps carefully will help you regain control of your account and bolster its security against future issues. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying vigilant with your account security is the best way to protect your digital presence.